How to format Insta360 X5 SD card. So once your device is turned on, scroll down to your control panel. Then go to gear icon, which is the option for settings. Then you'll see the option of SD card. Tap on it. Now over here you can see the total storage that is set on your SD card and that you have used till now. You can simply tap on the option of format. Now, if you format your SD card, it will delete all files and formats your SD card completely. Then just tap on confirm option. Just wait for some time and you can see that you will successfully be able to format your SD card on Insta360 X5. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.